I need all of us. Bullet in the bundle with the big frames. Nigga talking stupid, I'm a big ape. I hit the road and big bank. You hit the road and make big blanks. I'm too swift, I'm too smooth. Like a big body truck. Right here, getting switcheroo.
Sliding in that queue, you can't waste my time. You ain't talking about the money, don't hit my line. Hit the real fresh just to fuck it up. Can't let a basic bitch come cuff me up. I'm a young nigga tryna chase them fucking bucks. Here come these Benji racks, I don't give no fucks. You a goofy ass nigga, lil' Donald Duck. How you cuffin' on a thought shit, lil' slut?
YouTube, man, what it do? What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be doing a mic'd up POV drive. Yes, mic'd up POV drive. Oh shit, wait, hold on. I forgot to turn the damn mics on. Let me, I don't have no DJI mic. I don't have no DJI money. But we will be using these little Bluetooth mics that I got from Amazon. And hopefully it doesn't sound bad. I've been trying to find like good ways to like place it, but I don't know where the people be like putting it at. So I got two mics. I got one right here, one right here. Turn these on. Place this under here. Yeah, but see, we got the intakes. Feel me? About to start it up. We're about to get up out of here. Let's do it. I'm about to just be driving. I know I gotta go to the gas station per usual, so y'all boys stay tuned, man. I'm about to I need to I think I got 70 miles, so about to get up out of here, man. It's already 8 o'clock. I tried to hurry up and get this video done before it got dark outside. Cause these past few days it's been rainy as hell. It's been rainy as hell in Florida, so I don't know what's been going on. Bro, this M8 hard, boy. Or 840i, whatever. That shit hard as hell. I'm throwing a manual. I do not know how to drive manual, dog. I do not know how to drive manual, so I'm gonna just keep it cordial. I'm gonna keep it at automatic, cause I do not want to mess my car up. Hell nah. Oh, I'm tripping. The music's still on. But yeah, man, how y'all boys' days been, man? We in a new month. It's June. Shout out Flight Reacts. It's 8 o'clock right now. Hopefully the traffic not too bad. I know it usually do be this bad, but I know since school about to be out soon, so I don't think it. Hopefully it's not that bad. We just gonna see though. I'm ready to hit the road with this John. Yesterday it was raining really bad, and I had took my car out for the first time to try to spin it, and I actually did it. I'm gonna drop the clip. It wasn't that good. It was my first time doing it in like almost 2 years. I don't really like spinning my car because I be kind of nervous doing it. But about to stop and get some gas real quick because we only got 63 miles. Nice. Man, oh man, oh man. I ain't gonna lie, these intakes was such a good thing I did to the car. I love the way this shit sounds. It sounds so good. Now I just need my carbon. I could tune. I could get a tune. You know, I don't got the money for the tune right now, but I could get a tune. But I really want to get my carbon and I want to get my wrap. But I don't know yet, man. We just gonna see. We gonna just let God and time handle it itself. So we gonna see, man. I gotta get over it, but this Lexus truck going so slow. Go ahead, Lex. I gotta get over it. Hey man, say man, it's your boy Smooth G.O. It's a 340i right there. Look, 340i. I need to get back on my Instagram wave, man. I haven't posted on Instagram in a fat minute. But I do be posting stories though. My stories be going crazy. Like yesterday I had used ChatGPT to put a Hellcat engine on my Q. Bro, not everybody, but a lot of people thought it was real. Like, what the fuck? Bro, AI can't be that good, bro. There's no way. Like, it's possible, but I ain't SEMA, bro. SEMA do shit like that. I'm not putting no Hellcat engine in my Q. Especially, like, the only way you'll catch me doing that shit is if it's sponsored, bro. I would never, ever come out of my pocket to put a Hellcat engine in a Q. Hell no. Oh, what the fuck? I didn't even peep the yellow tape. What the fuck? Why this shit right here? I almost drove right through that bitch, bro. This ain't limbo, baby. I ain't gonna lie, I almost drove right through that shit. What the hell? What the helly? What the helly? I don't know. Wait, hold on, bro. Go ahead, gang. Damn, bro, that light. Are these people gonna move? God, bro. Bro, how the fuck? What are they doing? Are they pressure washing over there or something? I feel like a dweeb, bro. Bomboclat. fuck going on over here? It's like a gas shortage or something. Let me put some fucking gas. What the helly? What the helly? What the helly? What the helly? I need to go to the vacuum. Check me out, dude. Bro, the car's so dirty, dog. This shit's so dirty. That's crazy. This shit dirty as hell. Look at the water building up. That's from all the rain. Damn. All the rain building up in my headlights, bro. What the helly? What the helly? Oh, only 49? Okay. Okay. Thought it was gonna be like a 60 ball, man. No, I gotta snap a couple pics before I leave the gas station, man. All right, let's get up out of here. Let's get up out of here, man. And an S5 and an S80. What the hell, eh? We got a full tank, y'all boys. We vibing. We big vibing. And an S5 and an S80. What the hell, eh? Damn, bright ass headlights. Oh shit. What the hell, LeBron James? What the hell, Burton? That's so stupid, but it's funny, dog. Oh my goodness. I low-key hope it rain a little later so I could goddamn swing the car for a video. I was gonna do it yesterday, but it was too dark and you couldn't really see nothing. So I don't know. Maybe next time though. gotta be a little quiet when it comes to like trying to cut up. Damn, there's no openings for real. I'm not a white line type of nigga, so if y'all come here and I post a goddamn cut up video, do not expect no white lines. I'm telling you right now, you're gonna be very disappointed. Do not expect no white lines from me. Hell no. You can expect me to go a little fast, but white line? Hell no. Hell no. Y'all can keep that. Y'all can keep that, boy. Hell no. Sometimes when they flash you, that means cops nearby. So let me chill. And plus, we getting closer to our destination anyway. This ain't gonna be no long video. I just wanted to do a little mic'd up POV drive. Let me turn on the light on. Just wanted to do a little mic'd up POV drive so y'all boys could hear the intakes. I know the mic isn't as good, but look on the bright side, man. We got intakes. Y'all can hear that bit. And y'all can decide if y'all want it. So, yeah, man. I'm probably gonna get some food in a little bit too. She only ever wearing panties. You see what I gotta do to be able to have a mic with this camera? Yes, I gotta record with my iPhone. I got a voice memo with my iPhone. Because the InstaGo 360 doesn't have a mic option where you could plug in a mic or connect the mic Bluetooth wise. So yeah, so we gotta just plug it out until we get like a 360 cam, I guess. Or like a POV camera that you could like hook a mic up to. I wonder if the GoPros do it. The GoPros. I wonder if they could do it. But yeah, man, like I said, this not gonna be a long video. See, if it was wet, I would have spun around here just like these. But you know, now I'm careful. But yeah, man, this ain't gonna be no long video. So if y'all boys like the video, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. More POVs coming soon, especially with these intakes. I'm about to do a little pull for y'all real quick before I end the video off. Yes. But yeah, man, y'all boys stay tuned to the next video. I love y'all, and I'm gonna catch y'all soon, man. What you mean?